Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. We will see um, welcome to the 30-minute trade. I think here I'm giving the recommendations for the all the stocks related to stocks on a day-to-day basis as well as on the weekly. And also I review the what I traded and what I recommended on a day, as well as I will review the yesterday's one on this week's stock list, so that you will know what I'm doing and where it is going and all those things, so you will understand. With that mind, I think we will go today. What are the recommendations? So far, I think earlier I recommended Perry and Rekor in this starting of the week. So far these two stocks went up already within 3 days. I think 26.22 Perry, and the other one is Rekor is 24.63 in 3 days. So I will also show what are the how much money that I put in and what are the trades and everything. Okay, let's go on. Right now we will analyze the market, and also we will analyze the individual stocks. Okay, let's go to the what is the market is telling today and how it is going, and also let's see. So far I think we have the bad news in the morning. Yesterday I think there was war kind of scenario came, and so Iran went and send the missiles to the American camp. So I thought of there was something corruption is going, corruption started. I think might be something, but so far I think it's good. I think nothing happened in the market. Yesterday's future was down for almost 300 points, but it came up, I think, after Trump has given the positive signal. So come to the Nasdaq Composite Index. So if you see here, still this one is uptrend, and so I think probably what I'm expecting, it will touch until 9,200 something, 9,093. So it will go there. It will give the kind of a range or something like that. So after that, you can expect this some kind of a range here. So far I think it's going good. Still momentum up. Go to the QQQ. These are also um, kind Nasdaq related stuff. So still it is up. Let's go to the SPY. This is SP 500 stock. ETF. So this is also very good. It's still in uptrend. If you go to the weekly chart, still it is an uptrend. So after range, I think one more range, I think still it is an uptrend. So far I think nothing happened to the market, but when you come to the two T20 108 is percent of stocks above 40 MA. This gives a little bit hint, so little bit more hint as compared to other things. So this what is that this means is 40, this number of stocks is above 40-day average. So here it is in downtrend, means most of the stocks as compared to up, down stocks are more. So it is coming down. That means sellers are more dominating than the buyers. So probably this weekend or this Friday, I think it might little bit correction more. Slowly it is coming down. So be aware, aware of that one. So if you have any profit, better you take profit. If you have any positions that has high in that high profit. Okay, so we can expect anytime downs, immediately downside moment is very quick and the upside moment is very slow, so be aware of that. this market. So let's go to the what we had yesterday. These are the stock I picked yesterday. So we'll review so how it moves. So this arrow, I think biotech, this related, still it is going in good shape, and there is no damage happen on this one. So if you hold, I think it's better you hold until tomorrow. Most of the stocks I actually will sell either Thursday, end of the Thursday, or by noon I will sell it. So because of Fridays are a little bit most of, in my experience, I think it will go down, or will sell, people, some of the people will sell on Fridays. So be aware of that. This is one of the secret I think I found. Um, so still it is an uptrend. So if you want to add shares here, that's fine. MTM, this is also good. Still in uptrend. So it's compared to 3% is up today. So it's good. ZYME, yesterday I think recommended, I think long before I recommended, I had position here, and after that it went down, then again here, I think. So so far I think in my buy point, I think from last week to here, I think almost 11% is up. So in a week's times, 11% is up is good. So still it is an uptrend. If you want to take profit by end of the day, I think you can take off of the positions and leave for the next run. ENPH, still I'm holding this one. So it is going in the upward momentum. So whenever you had some position, whenever it pull back, you can add your shares. So it's going very smooth, and no hiccups. So when you come to the here weekly chart, um, it's going straight up, and also it's moving like this one. So whatever the past happens, the future also happens to the same thing. It is like personality. So if you think in the same way, you might think in the same way, I think, right? So the same way here also, ENPH, it was trending earlier good. After that correction, then again we can expect same way like this. So whenever it pulls back, better you add position. That's kind of a day trade, you can do that. So if you want to enter, you can enter in 30-minute chart, and whenever it pulls back, you can add your positions, take profit when it goes up, something like that. ZYME, I like this one also. Still, I have the position in ZYME, so um, it's in uptrend for the last few things. So still, it is in buy range. So you can, still you can have it, hold it, I think. ARDX is also biotech. Still, it is in the within the range. So it didn't move fast, but we can expect anytime. I think it will move fast. Xoma still it is coming as a range, so still it is trying to pull back. I hope, I think it will support the 20-day line. Let's see how it goes in few. Still it is in cup a handle, so it's trying to pull back. So might be end of the Friday I will add position here at this time. Okay. HGNP. In the come to the weekly, it's in the still in the range, so that's why it is oscillating here. So I think after one, I think until if it touches in 20-day average, I think I will add the positions. Inspire Medical Systems is healthcare medical devices, so it is started the uptrend now, so you can add your positions whenever it pulls back. You can add your positions. If you have it, I think you can hold it for a few days. I think this is coming as a range still. might be it is expecting to come and hit here, I think so, 50-day average. So until that time it better not to add any position. So these are the stock yesterday I recommended. Also let's go to today's list. Okay, today I'm recommending 11 stocks. You don't need to buy immediately, but be cautious. If you have guts, you can think you can. Please keep in the your watch list, so it might jump at any time. So BVXV, this is the pharmaceuticals, biotech. So if you see here in the weekly chart, it's nice uptrend, a nice range for the last few years. Now it started running upward, so it's a nice flag here. I think buy flag. I think so. I like this kind of stock. So if it holds, I think if you have guts, I think if you want to add, you can add small positions here, and it will so you can expect some kind of a pullback, but we are not sure because it's towards the end of the Friday. I don't add full position here. I can add only small position, and we'll see if it goes up, then I can add more position. So still it's a biotech, and it's in the range. If it crosses this range, I will add position after 1050, 1065, then I can add more positions. So if you want, you can add right now. So Rekor, still it is in upward. I can still it is. I think this run still didn't end, so it will still go up. That is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to take 5.8 is my, at least I will take the some profits here. So yeah, that is what I think. MTEM Biotech, MTEM Biotech is also good. It's in the up range, so we can expect some kind of a oscillation here, some kind of a range. You can add small positions if you want. QURE is also good, in the range. So once this range breaks out, I will add position. ENPH also I have the position. Still I have the position, so we can expect ENPH. I think earlier also I told. So you can add your positions little bit here. Slowly you can pyramid it. It is very stable kind of stock. ZYME is also same thing. Still you can add your positions. ARDX also, I think yesterday also it has a watch list, so this one still it is going up in the range. NPTN, these semiconductor ones, semiconductor stocks are very good at this time because they are performing very well. If you go to the weekly chart, so still this if it breaks out here, I think I will add more position. So this small stock, and yeah, it's still semiconductor is good, and a lot of volume is coming here, and here breakout here, range breakout here, and we will see whether it can go up or not. The 227 is the earnings, and the float is 39.9. I think I like this kind of float, and very low price stock. Splunk is one of the, I think this is also in the software technology side. I think this is the most recommended. I think I prefer this one because it's a long range, and then broke out here, and again formed one more big handle. So you can add your position. This is the right time to buy, I guess. So because it is trying to break out. If you come to the weekly chart, it's a big range here and a handle here, so you can add your positions, small positions here. By slowly you can pyramid. SEAC internet is also technology. It forms a range and coming back to the pullback. If it touches the 50-day line, then I can add my position. So if you come to here on the weekly basis, it is a nice pullback on the weekly. So last 6 weeks is pulling back. So if you want, you can add your positions. So a lot of volume is coming. So and also it moves very fast. So that's good. NVDA, this is one of the famous popular stock. NVIDIA semiconductor. So this is in the range. So if you come to the daily weekly chart, I think it is going still an uptrend, so you can add your positions here, and let's see how it goes. If you want to buy options on this one, NVIDIA is also very good because it started, I think, trend just now, so you can expect until 240, 430, something like that. Okay, these are the 11 stock I'm recommending. Some of the stocks are in range. Some of the stocks in the still you can add your position. So probably I will add small position either tomorrow or at the end of the Friday. So whatever it how the market it trades. Remember the um, uh, right now the sellers are more dominating than the buyers, so be cautious on that one. So um, that's why I'm telling cautious. So if you come to the this week this is all the stocks I recommended Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. So if you come to the Perry, I recommended here. It went up here until, so it's one of the good. And these also I recommended earlier this week, and it's went to 11%. ENPH also I recommended, I think, around this time. So still in uptrend, so that's good. So this one also very good. PC, I told, some of the it's still testing, and 20-day average, I think if it goes, if it you need to wait until Friday. So how far it, whether it is supporting here or not. So we'll wait until that time. I won't add any position here. Suppose these kind of stuff suddenly pulls back until here. So this pullback might have the 10-15% down. Under record still it's an uptrend. PDF is also still in uptrend and the volume is coming, so you can add your positions. I've add, I think it's either Friday or something like that. The ACL is also still in the range, good, and INSP is also good. The RDNT good. ACA still in the range. Be aware of that. Still, it's in the range. So I think probably you can expect more kind of range on this one. Arrow also same thing. We can expect. I think. Yeah, I think it will move little bit slow. ARDX still it's in the range, so it's a low risk entry point. GPNP it is in the range, so until we will see how it goes. Still in the big range, so might be it can expect more range. ZYME also very good, and Xoma. I will try. I will see how it goes here. If technically it supports. I think I will add. DRD gold. I think went down. It's in the after big range. I think it gone, I think still it's an uptrend, so we will see if it supports 10-day. I think it's good. ARDX still in the range, so all the stocks won't move in the same pace, but some of the stocks will move different pace. So depends on the kind of a float and high beta related stuff. So these are the stocks I recommended earlier this week, and today I'm recommending these ones. So use your due diligence, and we'll go and before adding any positions. Okay, come to here. So these are the my real trading portfolio. So what are the positions I have? So you can see here BLDP is 19.4% up. I think this is my real trade account. So what are the initial entry points? You can see here. I had the info, that is 17.5, Rekor 16.9, ENPH I had the 2.9, ZYME also I have one, EHTH 0.2. So most of the stocks are I will most of the stocks I recommended earlier also. So most same stocks I think I'm also executing. So you can see profits here right now. Some of the stocks I think I will sell it, and I will add more positions if something like that, you know. Okay, so if you like the stocks, please subscribe, and so you will get the latest updates, and what are the recommendations, stock recommendations, ideas, and what are the latest market stats, and recommend analysis, all those things you will get on your channel, on your inbox. So, and also you can go to the 30minutetrade.com. You can see latest updates also. So if you like the channel, you can press the like button, and also if you have any questions, you can add some in the comments, so that I will go through those comments, and I will also give you some kind of a answers. And also if you have any doubts, I think I will go to the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and happy trading.